Today we are going to be learning how to tie a shoe. And here is our sample shoe. As you can see, it is untied right now. So the two ways that we are going to be learning how to do this are called the loop, swoop, and pull and bunny ears method. The first one is going to be the loop, swoop, and pull. So you begin by taking both ends and wrapping one under the other like so. Then you are going to take one end and make a loop. You are going to take the other end, swoop it around that loop, and pull from underneath, and voila. Our next method is going to be called the bunny ears method, which is going to be demonstrated in this video.
Make 2 loops. Crisscross the loops. Tuck one under and pull.